Thank you so much, Mrs. Bambisane. Besibaningi kakhulu, it's almost 400 of us, but isikhonile ukuthi wonke umuntu ende something. Ngicela kubonga kakhulu bo coach bethu, laba bothishela to us, lebe solo sebenza nabo kusukela nanamuhla basibambisile, sisebenze kamnanzi. Yes, besibancane, kodwa ke sikhonile ukuthi si attend wonke umuntu lokhona. Simfundise whatever lesingamfundisa kona lo technical. Ngiyabonga kakhulu bothishela who are our coaches. Lana ke besingakwendi lokho for fun. Since sikule program lena yesikolo, we are selecting players who are going to represent us in South Africa in December. So we've already started selection. Some of the players, Tabatsinza Botishela, they'll have to start training as soon as possible in preparation for December. So get ready. This was not just for fun. We are preparing a team that is going to represent the country in December. So thank you so much. It's a song. Let's go prepare. Labanga kaselethwa kusho ukuthi sesikhohliwe. Hambani niyoqhubeka nidlale ibhola, and then next time nathi ukuthi ready for the national team.